Hey there, my name's Rob Smith. I'm with Social Media Video Marketing. I'm the local marketing guy here in Northern Colorado. I'm doing this video to tell you about the campaign launch that we're most likely going to be launching here on Friday. And what's the date? It is Friday the 18th, called Connect Mo. And you're probably wondering what Connect Mo is. Well, Connect Mo is basically connecting more with your community. And how do you connect more with your community with your mobile devices? And more people are doing QR codes. They know there's something there. They know that there's texting. They see the text IDs, keywords, numbers, and people are tweeting on their phones or checking their Facebook statuses on their phone, calling, all that stuff, foursquaring. So much part of our life is mobile. But one thing that we've seen is businesses are having a hard time adapting and are not really sure which way to go. Put a QR code on their business card or on a flyer and it goes somewhere on the web, on their website, and it's not a mobile-ready website or there's no incentive value. But what's fun is not just businesses, organizations, are doing this, the consumer is. And what would be fun is to hear how you are connecting with social media on your phone, or how you're connecting more with your community or with your family. How are you connecting by mobile? Well, Connect Mo, which Mo means mobile, is a fun little project that we're working on. And also we're going to help businesses connect Mo with mobile devices, with their websites, social media, and help with some strategies. Now, there will be a minimal cost to this, but what we're going to do to help connect Mo with the local community here in Loveland, Colorado, is we're going to give 10%. Actually, we're going to give you the opportunity to give 10% of the actual cost of this Connect Mo project is 10% going to the Loveland Habitat for Humanity. Now, I'm pretty involved with Habitat for Humanity here in Loveland, Colorado, and pretty passionate about it. And we want to give back and help deserving families put a roof over their homes. Safe, clean, sustainable living. See, there, my phone's connecting here with me with noises. But at any rate, if you're interested in this, and if you are a business, or maybe you're just someone who you're not a business and you want to have fun, we'll be creating a fan page called Connect Mo. And we have it created, we just haven't marketed it yet. And you go on there, share your experiences, how you're connecting Mo with your family, your community, your churches, however you're doing it. It'll be fun. If you have a video, post a video there. It should be lots and lots of fun, and we'll eventually have a nice little website we'll feature some of those videos on. Have a great day, and thanks again. My name is Rob Smith, the local marketing guy with Social Media Video Marketing. And if you're interested in this, just give me a call at 970-710-1298, or give me a text at that number. That's my Mo number. Thanks. Have a great day.